Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am M. Surya Kumar Vishal and this is our first Wednesday series video of the 2024. In this useful video, we are going to look about an interesting website which made our work easier. First thing, open your browser and search top stock research. Here you can see the website. Just click the first website and this is the interface of the website will looks like. In this home page you can get some details about it, top gainers in daily, 5 minutes and other things too. Then you can see the such things like best performing index, worst performing index, top losers. These all are the things. Mainly we are going to use this website for screening purpose. You may know that screening is selecting a particular chart with a particular requirements. Before getting to that, let me see the menu. In the left side of the website you can see this menu. I'm going to explain you something. Market screener. In this market screener you can screen the stock by price or volume, highs and low, returns, index and sector analysis, this kind of things. And the TSR is their personal screening, we can't look at that. Then the candlestick screener. In this area you have the bullish screener, bearish screener, consolidation, that kind of things. Then the technical screeners means the technical things, you can screen the particular stock by some technical screeners. Then we have the chart patterns such as the popular chart patterns, triangle, channel, trend line, these kind of stuff we are going to look at this. And how to use this website. For example, I'm going to select the price or volume. Here you can see the top gainers, daily top gainers is SPRC, Alcargo, GLS, and these kind of stuffs are the top gainers of the day. And this is very easiest thing. Let me see some interesting about it. If you get into the candlestick pattern, I'm going to select the bullish screener. Here you can see patterns, bullish Marabusu, bullish pin bar, dragonfly doji, hammer, and these all are the single candlestick pattern, these all are the double candlestick pattern, and these are triples, and these are multi. You can access these data. For example, I'm going to select the hammer pattern in daily time frame. Here you can see Mahindra Life. This stock have the hammer pattern in daily time frame. Let me search it. Mahindra Life Space and the daily time frame. Here you can see it has the hammer pattern and the values are little bit similar to the exact value. Then let me get into another stuff. Then the chart patterns, you can see the triangles. In triangle area you can collect the details of ascending triangle, descending triangle, symmetrical triangle. For example, ascending triangle, you can see some varying charts are there which has the ascending triangle. Let me search about it. AKZO India, AKZO India, and they told that in this chart has the ascending triangle. We can draw it. And this is how the ascending triangle looks like, and it is a breakout. Actually it is not updating, but it will update themselves because today is the breakout of the ascending triangle. Okay guys, in popular chart pattern you have the double bottom, triple bottom, bullish base, both the things you can get it. And I'm going to choose double bottom. The global stock has the double bottom in daily. Let me search about it. Global, yes, exactly, you can see here it is a double bottom pattern which is formed in the global. And this is the most usable thing in this particular website. Not only this, you can screen the stock which was like, I'm going to search something else like Bajaj Finserv. If I search this, if I search this stock, it will show the price change and open, high, low, volume, these details. And here you can see the candlestick. If you click this in daily time frame, you can see here candlestick pattern bullish engulf formed, but volume or other trend not very supportive. In weekly time frame, you can see doji candlestick pattern. Let me check it. In Bajaj Finsa, you can see here in daily chart, they told that candlestick patterns bullish engulfing formed. Here you can see the bullish engulfing exactly formed there. And this is a bearish candle and this is the engulfing candle. So it is right. Then weekly time frame, they told the doji candle formed there. Okay, let me look about it. Here you can see it is a kind of doji which is formed in the weekly time frame. So you can screen the stock by choosing your own stock. If you have ideas in SPA or see that kind of stuff, you can search it and click the candlestick. In daily, the both things are in bullish, so you can look at this SPARC. Here you can see the market was in the bullish. It was bullish like this. And this is how this website works very efficiently. I hope this video was useful for you. If this video is useful, kindly like and share this video to your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching.